Dr. Nempami, the Bonus Representative, the Education Program Supervisor 1 in Filipino, Dr. Marvick C. Ople. Welcome to the Kain Elementary School 54th graduation ride. With our principal, Ma'am Lily A. Lasuna. To continue, please stand for the entry of colors presented by our selected Boy Scouts. Let us remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by a MOPI coordinator, Mrs. Helen Picariaga, division lead by the graduates, and an invitation to be led to us by a grade 6 gold pupil with honors, John Maxwell L. Byron.